The secrets behind Swiss-made weapons' precision and excellence. Switzerland is famous for its precision watches, delicious chocolates, and breathtaking landscapes. But did you know it's also renowned for its world-class weapons? In this video, we'll explore what makes Swiss-made weapons so exceptional and why they are sought after globally by military and civilian markets alike. Switzerland is a neutral country, but it has always prioritized defense. This neutrality has shaped its approach to arms manufacturing. Swiss weapons are designed with precision and reliability to defend, not to attack. Companies like Sig Sauer and B&T AG exemplify this tradition of innovation, producing firearms that balance cutting-edge technology with the country's hallmark craftsmanship. Swiss-made weapons are celebrated for their precision and durability. Whether it's a Sig Sauer pistol or a Swiss B&T submachine gun, each weapon undergoes meticulous design and testing. The same engineering principles used in Swiss watches, precision machining, quality materials, and attention to detail, are applied to their firearms. Precision Swiss weapons are known for their pinpoint accuracy, making them ideal for law enforcement and competitive shooting. Reliability. Designed to perform in harsh conditions, Swiss firearms are trusted by military forces worldwide. Quality control. Every component is crafted with exacting standards to ensure unparalleled performance. Innovation. Swiss companies lead the industry in developing advanced features, like modular systems and sound suppressors. Sig P210, a legendary pistol famous for its precision and smooth operation. PE90/SG 550 rifle, the Swiss Army's standard-issue rifle known for accuracy and reliability. B&T MP9, a compact submachine gun used by special forces worldwide for its versatility and lightweight design. Swiss arms manufacturers have earned a reputation for excellence because of their commitment to quality, innovation, and user-centric design. While their products may be more expensive, professionals understand that Swiss-made weapons are an investment in reliability and performance. Swiss-made weapons stand as a testament to Switzerland's dedication to precision and engineering. Whether for defense, sport, or law enforcement, these firearms embody the Swiss motto, excellence without compromise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology.